all of God's creation exists to bring glory to God, exists to show His glory, exists to mirror His glory. But human beings, man, has the unique opportunity, the unique responsibility, the unique gift of being able and being called to and commanded to declare verbally His glory. The great opportunities that music has is to declare that in a memorable way. So humbling and so really fulfilling for our choir and orchestra and music ministry team at Hunter Street to lead in that. I'm very privileged, very humbled, and very grateful for the opportunity.